Hello viewers, I am Dr. Srinivas. Today I was in front of you within some news regarding this law course admission. Okay, so actually a man by name T. Ravindra Babu. So he is 53 years old, working as an engineer in CBWD department. So he was very ambitious in doing the law course. Okay. So with that ambition, so he taken a VRS, okay, at the age of 53 years, and he wrote the law entrance examination in Andhra Pradesh, and he ranked top in the entrance examination held in the October 2020. Okay, but unfortunately, because of his age, he is 53 years old, so he could not able to get the admission. The reason is that clause number 28 of BCI rules of legal education 2008, okay, which fixes the age limit for legal education as previously, okay, as 20 years for what do you say, this 5 years course and 30 years for 5 years course. You know, in the law there are two types of courses is there: 5 years course and 3 years course. For 3 years course, the eligibility is graduation. For the 5 years course, the eligibility is intermediate. So the age limit for 5 years course is 20 years, and for SC/ST it is 22 years, and for the 3 years course the eligibility is of age is 30 years. For SC/ST it is 35 years. So this is the previous age limit actually as per the clause number 28 of BCI rules 2008. So later what happened, so many of the cases have been filed in the various high courts regarding this age limit, this 20 and 30 years. Okay, so basing on the various petitions filed in various high courts and Supreme Court as well. Okay, so these on what clauses they have been filed the cases means they filed cases on Article 14, so Article 19 1 clause G and Article 21. Okay, Article 14 is telling about equality before the law. Okay, so and Article 19 1 G will talks about right to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business, and Article 21 speaks about protection of life and personal liberty. Okay, so basing on these three articles, so many people have filed cases in High Court and Supreme Court regarding this BCI age limit. Okay, BCI kept age limit. So later what happened, after several litigations in the High Courts and Supreme Court, the BCI has revised the age limit to 22 years for this 5 years course and 45 years for this 3 years course. Okay, so but this man, this Ravindra Babu, T. Ravindra Babu, he is not eligible even for this revised age limits. Why? Because he is 53 years old. Now the age limit kept there is 45 years age only. So he approached differently. So previously many people have went to Supreme Court and High Courts. So he approached to Competition Commission of India, so which also addresses the similar problems like this. Okay, so on what clause he approached the Competition Commission of India means he is claiming that BCI is Bar Council of India is abusing its dominant position in contravention of Section 4 of the Competition Act 2002. Okay, so actually so what Section 4 of the Competition Commission of CCI, okay, CCI will speaks means CCI speaks in Section 4 is that abuse of dominant position, okay, an anti-competitive practice. Okay, so if any enterprise abuses its dominant position, if it shows any unfair and discrimination, okay, in any trade, practice, business, profession, then people will approach this Competition Commission of India. I know you might be you know this you might be very familiar with this, some people. So CCI, So these management students will know about this. Even when there was a competition between the two companies, if there is one company is doing any unfair trade practices, then they approach the CCI. Now Airtel have approached CCI on Jio. Okay. So and at the same time, when acquisition and mergers takes place also, okay, when any company is capturing the market share more than 50% in the process of acquisition and merger, so then at that time also the other competitive companies may approach this Competition Commission of India. So totally this man, 53 years old, T. Ravindra Babu, differently he approached Competition Commission of India. Why? Because he thought that some speed remedy will get there. Okay. So claiming that BCI is dominating its position in contravention of Section 4 of the Competition Commission of India 2002. Okay. Thank you so much. Try to do this video in Telugu in the later time. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this video and encourage and support my classes. Thank you.